Starting around 02 September 2023, Chiliz by and large is exchanging at $0.060 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.07% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Which for the most part is very critical. CHZ especially has a truly complete market cap of $442,035,749, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,713,448 in a very enormous manner. This essentially makes Chiliz, CHZ, kind of positioning at 72 in the cryptographic money market in a significant way. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Chiliz explicitly be worth in 2023? Which basically is genuinely critical. Is Chiliz a wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Which generally is genuinely critical. Will CHZ cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed certainly high in an unpretentious manner? These really are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ''S' future, which in a real sense is very huge. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chiliz conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost really is supposed to especially cross a kind of normal value level of $0.091, the normal in every practical sense, least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to in every way that really matters, be $0.088. Or so they sort of thought. Besides, CHZ can explicitly arrive at a most extreme value level of $0.097. Which truly shows that additionally CHZ can essentially arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.097, which in a real sense is very critical. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chiliz in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082. Or so they really thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to truly be around $0.080, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Chiliz in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.079 and $0.086. Or so they generally thought. While the fundamentally normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $0.083, which truly is genuinely huge. CHZ value conjecture October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chiliz generally is supposed to basically arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0.082 in an exceptionally significant manner. The CHZ cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0.089, with the especially normal cost around $0.085, which basically is very huge. Chiliz, CHZ, value figure November 2023. The Chiliz, CHZ, cost for November 2023 may arrive at a kind of least worth of $0.085, while the very greatest gauge cost truly is around $0.093, pretty further appearance. How the CHZ cost could essentially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0.089, with the sort of typical cost around $0.085. The fundamentally normal cost for CHZ by and large is somewhat anticipated to generally reach $0.088 in November 2023, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. CHZ value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Chiliz really is determined to by and large be at around and in every practical sense, least worth of $0.088, which truly is genuinely huge. The Chiliz value worth can fundamentally arrive at a sort of limit of $0.097, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.091 in United States dollars, exhibiting that CHZ value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chiliz especially is supposed to in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0.082, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz genuinely passed value examination and the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto basically has been generally diminished by 0.39% in its genuinely current worth. Beautiful. In spite of mainstream thinking. In the event that we look at the very current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's You can basically see that the market cap generally is likewise down in a kind of significant manner. Chiliz basically is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard within every practical sense. Other crypto coins, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The CHZ by and large is down to nearly 4.99% in the truly most recent 7 days, showing how Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Chiliz in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.073 and $0.082. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for essentially past sort of couple of days. The coin could have areas of strength for really at the same time. We don't especially feel that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, or so they generally thought. Inside the sort of most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ in a real sense diminished by 57.282%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.080 from its truly current worth in a huge manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin certainly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a by and large great, for the most part purchase a potential open door for by and large fast venture, which generally is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change most certainly is near 56.66%, and the value sort of coursed from a really least by and large normal cost of 13 cents to greatest in every practical sense, normal cost of 14 cents in the all things considered recent days, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Chiliz in every practical sense is somewhere near 42.85% with the by and large most extreme by and large normal cost of the coin explicitly was around 11 cents, and the kind of least exceptionally normal cost of certainly was around 11 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, which sort of is very critical. Chiliz value estimate 2023 facts. What will be Chiliz truly worth in 2023? Exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The CHZ cost truly is estimated to especially arrive at a greatest degree of $0.097, with extremely least cost of $0.088, toward the finish of 2023. Truly further appearance how CHZ value gauge October 2023, concerning October 2023. Chiliz for the most part is supposed to generally arrive at an essentially least value worth of $0.082. Or so they sort of thought. Does Chiliz have a future, which especially is very huge? As far as value, Chiliz by and large has an exceptional truly potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how might CHZ cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. It most certainly is figure that CHZ will increment in esteem, showing how this unexpected down especially implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a great explicitly purchase a valuable open door for truly